What's the meaning of anti-personnel? Anti-personnel. 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 Anti-personnel.
Anti-personnel refers to something that is designed or used to harm people as opposed to vehicles or structures. Examples of anti-personnel weapons include landmines, grenades, and certain types of bombs. These weapons are intended to injure or kill people within their range of effect. The use of anti-personnel weapons can result in devastating consequences, particularly for innocent civilians who may accidentally trigger them or become caught in the crossfire. The indiscriminate nature of these weapons has led to international efforts to ban or restrict their use in conflict zones.